So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-register ng Power 75 sa ating Smart and TNT SIM. But first, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video mula sa ating mobile device, pumunta lang tayo sa dial ng ating phone. And dito guys, dial lang natin is *123 number sign or hashtag, and then call. And dito guys, after nyan, piliin lang natin dito yung number 5, which is yung giga/araw-araw. So type natin yung number 5 and then send. So dito guys, piliin naman natin yung number 1, which is yung giga. So type natin yung number 1 and then send. And ayan guys, hanapin nyo lang yung power. So nasa number 4 siya, kaya ang itatype natin is number 4. And then, tap nyo lang yung send. So, ayan guys, after nyan, piliin natin yung number 1, which is yung 2 gigabytes for 3 days na 75 pesos. So, type natin yung number 1, and then tap send. So, ayan guys, sabi dito, kapag daw nag-register tayo ng Power 75, makakakuha tayo ng total of 8 gigabytes na data. Meron siyang 2 gigabyte power araw-araw para sa lahat ng sites and apps. And total na yon ng 6 gigabytes. Plus, bukod pa doon, meron siyang additional na 2 gigabytes for 3 days for only 75 pesos. So, ang total niya guys is 8 gigabytes na data ang makukuha natin dito sa Power 75. So, para ma-register guys, type natin yung number 1 and then send. So, ayun lang guys, ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba mag-register ng Power 75 sa ating Smart and TNT SIM. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!